Hey best friends, it's your girl Miss Rachel Adina. So let's get right into this LOC Method DIY deep conditioner that also serves as a creamy moisturizing hot oil treatment. So what I'm going to use is a Cantu Deep treatment mask and my Total Miracle Aussie Moist for perfect slip. And I'm going to use my extra virgin olive oil because we're only using the best, the most pure cold pressed oils. And I'm going to go ahead and use my aloe vera gel that is 97.7% natural, but trust me, if you could get 100% natural, it will be better. Then I'm going to use my honey-rich cold-pressed castor oil that I've had for 7 years. 7 years. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is a container for mixing. Mine says what happens at the bachelorette party stays at the bachelorette party. Because you know Miss Rachel be out here twerking a hot girl summer. Yeah, right. Miss Rachel Adina is totally wifed, totally classy, ain't about that life. You can have it. So let's mix and let's eat. So we're mixing, getting all those ingredients together. Our extra virgin olive oil, our castor oil, and our aloe vera gel. But we're going to mix it up. Make sure mine looks very, very oily. Yours should too. There's no particular measurement. Then we're going to add some of my favorite conditioner for slip. So add a few more pumps of your favorite slippery conditioner. Then mix it up and add your extra virgin olive oil. Remember, this is a creamy hot oil treatment, so it needs to be equal parts of conditioner as well as oil. Wow, what is this? So if you want to add a little bit more nourishment to your hot oil treatment, you could add a little bit of melted shea butter. Make sure your shea butter is nice and hot so that when you mix it with your cold products, it will not curdle up. And finally, last but not least, heat your entire mixture up to a very warm consistency and start applying to each section of your hair. Make sure you saturate it because you know what? This product is so much cheaper than what you would have bought in the store, and trust me, it's going to work 10 times better. So ladies, I call this my LOC Method Deep Conditioner because we have our liquid, which is our Aussie conditioner, and our aloe vera gel. We have our oil, which is our castor oil and our extra virgin olive oil. And we have our cream that's coming from the deep conditioner mask and also the whipped shea butter that I used. So this is an incredible deep conditioner for anybody's hair because it has all of the components that add shine and also adds moisture and nourishment to the hair. So I found that the best products and the best oils that I've used for my hair has been olive oil, castor oil, and aloe vera gel. So the benefits of castor oil is that it does help eliminate balding and thicken the hair, and it also adds strength to weak points on the hair shaft. Amongst many things, extra virgin olive oil adds shine and reduces frizz, while aloe vera gel softens the hair, adds to its manageability, and also adds shine. And because of the brand Shea Moisture, we all know that shea butter is a great agent at locking in moisture and all that nourishment from every product that you add to your hair. So ladies, it is no secret that Miss Rachel Adina loves her natural hair DIY deep conditioners, but I make sure that all of my deep conditioners have the same components of a liquid, an oil, and a cream. That's primarily because I've noticed that I've been able to reap the benefits of all of my oils that I've used in a deep conditioner if I carry it with a conditioner and a moisture-based product. Adding a water-based product to my hot oil treatment has not only helped distribute the product throughout my hair, but it has also helped open the cuticles of each shaft so that I could optimize the benefit of the oils that I put in my hair. So go and get your mixing bowl and try this deep conditioner out because it will really make the difference between oil that sits on your hair versus oil that penetrates the hair shafts. Ooh, ladies, that was a lot to say. So we are all done. Get you a bag, wrap it around your head, and sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes. Or if you want to go hard, Do it for about an hour and rinse in cool water. So ladies, we are all done. My hair feels very moist and it feels strong. It's shiny, it's defined, and it seems like I'm regaining a little bit of the elasticity that left from the heat damage that I've experienced. And so if you love this video, please like it. Please engage me in the comment section. Try it out and tell me what you think. Also hit the notification button for more like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.